Hey everyone, today we'll talk about Realme GT6t. So let's start it. This phone body weight is 191 gram and this phone plastic back and frame. This phone display is 6.78 inch LTPO AMOLED 1B color 120Hz refresh rate, and this phone resolution is 1264 into 2780 pixels. This phone cheapest Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 4nm and octa-core. Memory 180GB with 8GB RAM, 256GB with 8GB RAM and 256GB with 12GB RAM. OS Android 14, Realme UI 5.0. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with a 1.9 aperture. That's nice. Ultra wide angle 8 megapixel with 2.2 aperture. Front camera is 32 megapixel with 2.5 aperture. Video capture. Rear camera can capture 4K with 30 and 60 fps, HD with 30, 60 and 120 fps. And front camera can capture 4K with 30 fps, HD with 30 fps. Battery. This phone battery is 5500 mAh non-removable battery with 120 watt wired charging system. So you can use this phone all the day and you can expect a good battery backup from this phone. Connectivity 5G, Wi-Fi 6, NFC and fingerprint reader and a strong speaker. So if you want to buy GT6t, then you can go with this phone. So that was the video and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.